In the beginning, before the conference started, a lot of people were saying that we couldn't win because Justin Brownlee was too short or he was too old. But, man, Justin again proved he's the greatest of all time in terms of imports. Wow, he's really something. And obviously we have the greatest of all time fans that come and watch us every game. Thank you so much to everybody for being here. I'm glad we're able to win again after 3 years. It feels very, very good to win for you. Thank you. For you. For you. For you. Thank you very much.
Once again, the winningest coach in the PBA, Coach Tim Cone.
Joined by Scotty Thompson, now an 8th-time PBA champion. Scotty, anong pakiramdam? Started out not so great with a cut in your eye to start the game. How did you power through and close out today as the champion?
It's all God, no? Talagang sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na nakuha namin ngayon. Yung pang 8 championship ko, I think this is the pinakamahirap, no, na nakuha namin championship. Kudos to TNT. Wala ko ibang masabi kundi thank God sa championship na to.
Scotty, just to ask a little bit more, na-mention mo na nga, ito yung pinakamahirap na championship for you. What were some of the challenges that you had to go through this conference?
Well, personally, this is my very unhealthy situation na finals, no? Battling through ups and downs, battling through pains, but it's all worth it right now. Thank God na nakasustain sa series.
Scotty, alam ko maraming nanunood ngayon na gusto mong pasalamatan. Meron ka bang mensahe para sa kanila?
I just want to shout out sa buong Ginebra fans. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala kami dito ngayon. Maraming salamat. And of course, batiin family ko sa Digos, yung mama ko, yung mga kapatid ko, buong Digos, Davao del Sur. Of course, sa Mindanao, ino-offer ko ng championship na to sa nangyari sa Lindol sa Mindanao. Sana naging inspirasyon ko kayo and sa mga boss ko, Boss Ariel, Boss Ricky Mercado, sa family ko, Jinky, at sa mga anak ko. Thank you and para sa inyo itong championship na to.
Thank you so much, Scotty, and big congratulations to you once again. Now it's time for us to turn it over to
So much, Eileen. Joining me is a 2-time PBA champion, Troy Rosario. Troy, the last time that you won this championship was in 2021. What does this moment mean to you personally, knowing ang dami mong pinagdaanan?
Well, it's a dream come true. Alam niyo naman na bata pa ako, talagang dream ko na maglaro sa Ginebra. And to finally win a championship dito sa management na to, talagang sobrang saya. And yung mga na-witness ng mga nanood dito, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo, lahat ng mga Ginebra fans. And hopefully next conference, umabot ulit tayo sa ganito.
Troy, napag-usapan nga natin dati that this was always your dream to join Barangay Ginebra, and here we are. But it wasn't easy for you. Who helped you? Who pushed you to become the player that you are now, leading up to this championship?
Well, yung family ko, all throughout ng career ko, talagang yung suporta nila hindi nagbabago. Wife ko, si Michelle, kids ko, and yung mga kapatid ko, and lahat ng mga nasa bahay, talagang walang sawa yung suporta nila sa akin, day in, day out. So, ako, kailangan ko lang gawin yung trabaho ko, and I'm proud na, may uwi namin championship ngayon.
Troy, a lot of Barangay Ginebra fans came out here at the Mall of Asia Arena. Do you have a quick message to all of them?
Sa lahat ng Ginebra fans na nandito ngayon at sa lahat ng mga nanonood, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi namin makukuha ito kung wala kayo.
Once again, that was Troy Rosario, 2-time PBA champion. Let's now turn it over.